This Nissan has two cam sensors that are prone to failure. A code P0340 indicates a failure of the bank 1 sensor, which is on the passenger side of the engine. A P0345 was set on this Nissan, indicating a failure of the bank 2 sensor, which is on the driver's side. The bank 2 sensor has the connector at a 45-degree angle, while the bank 1 sensor connector is straight. I use a flex head 1/4 inch ratchet with a deep 10mm socket to remove the bolt. Once the bolt is out, rotate the sensor side to side to free it, then pull it out. The connector has a unique design where you push in a large, spring-loaded plastic tab in order to disconnect it. When installing the new cam sensor, I like to apply some grease on the O-ring to make it easier. Once you index the body of the sensor so that the hole lines up with the threads, you may install the retaining bolt.